The last day in June, and a prolonged dry spell, saw the need to water the new grass. Over by the passenger terminal, preparations were being made to pour concrete on the heated sidewalk. As we headed for Canada Day, look at the positions of the floating platform and big grey generator. The first working day of July found the welders working hard once again at the installation of safety ladders. Concrete preparations by the terminal were so well advanced that by day's end, the first of the areas had been poured and new areas were being treated. On the west end of the South Finger Dock, ODS were busy. A commitment to safety on site was shown by the presence of a safety representative. That afternoon saw the welders take to the boats for tasks that could only be performed from the water side. It came as something of a surprise the next morning to see the floating platform on the south side with a large crane in attendance. Initial preparations to lift the excavator revealed the need to move it a little closer to the crane. With all the required checks complete, the time came to lift the excavator off. Attention turned to separating the four components of the platform so that each could be lifted ashore in turn. One of the connecting pins proved significantly more difficult to release than all the others. But nothing was going to beat this crew. Even as the excavator was being loaded for its departure, the last of the platforms were being lifted ashore. Whilst all of this was taking place, a second concrete pour was completed beside the passenger terminal. Ending a very busy and successful day, the crane lifted the new generator into place. Installing the flagpole set the seal on a great day. Friday saw specialists from Houston installing railings around the boarding bridge area and later in the day around the vacuum mooring point. It was no surprise, given the advanced stage of preparation, to find a concrete truck arriving to pour the second piece of the heated sidewalk on the south side. The truck would move on to support a small curb repair around the entrance. We'll end this week's update with a look at just how busy the ferry terminal can get in summer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week, I hope.